Good morning, guys. How are you? This is the science worksheet for this week. I hope you're having a great time with your families, okay? We got 4 activities for this week. Number 1, write the name in the correct place, answer the questions, complete the crossword, and organize the pictures. In this picture, you're gonna write the names in the correct place. Like in the example, the petal goes here, okay? And you're gonna write the stigma, the anther, the sepal, and the filament. You need to write it in the correct place in the flower, okay? In this part, you're gonna answer the question. You got the picture here that is going to guide you, okay? In the number 1 says, how does a plant's life cycle begin? Look at the picture as it falls to the ground and the life cycle starts. Then this is the answer, as it falls to the ground and the life cycle starts, okay? Here you need to complete the crossword. For example, in the number 6, female reproductive organ that have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, ovary, okay? And complete all the crossword. In this page, you need to organize the pictures using the number from 1 to 4. A lot of flowers growing here, up sprouts a nice green shoot, soon as stem and leaves appear, a little seed first grow a root, okay? And you need to write the name in the correct order. The number 1 is this one. That's all for this week, guys. If you have questions or doubts, you can write me at the platform or by mail, okay? Have a nice week, take care, and goodbye, guys.